Hey guys, Brittany Shull here with the Johnson Home Team, and I'm here today with
Koenig, Heartland Inspections.
And today we are staying in a Price Custom Homes here in Plymouth, a brand new beautiful home, and we are here to teach you guys some homeowner life hacks.
Okay, we're in the basement here looking to change the filter on a furnace. One thing you probably want to do first is just shut off the power to the furnace. That just makes it easier to replace the filter. So here we got the filter cover right here, the furnace filter cover. Some of them screw out, some of them are magnetic. This one slides out. So just slide it out as so, grab the filter. Sometimes they're a little tricky to come out, but this one's pretty easy. And the way it goes. The filter, important to change every month here. One thing to note is there's an arrow typically on these filters, and it will be on the ductwork itself, and it will sometimes even be on the cover of the filter. But it's a good idea. What you need to do is basically put the filter in the furnace and have the arrow go the same direction. An important detail to get right, but it's wrong a lot. If you don't, the filter will probably collapse. Again, match the arrows. Again, we have an arrow here, an arrow in the ductwork. You just want it to match. Drop it on in and reinstall the cover. And lastly, turn on the furnace.
As Nick had mentioned, this homeowner life hack is super important. It's about replacing your furnace filter every month, but even more importantly, making sure that when you do, the arrows are going the same direction. Super important to make sure that the filter is actually functioning properly in your furnace and for your home.